Hi, I'm Angie Good with MarineMax Grand Lake. If you're looking for a sporty, fun, super luxurious tri-tune, look no further than the Crest Caribbean 250 RS. This one is optioned with the optic white exterior and Pacific blue accent. As we make our way back to the back, you can see the Cold Fusion 300 horse Mercury outboard to give you the performance that you need to pull the kids with a ski tow. And as we make our way up into the boat, then I'll point out some fun features inside. Welcome to the interior. So as you can see, we have plenty of room for up to 13 of your friends and family members. You have recessed cup holders with built-in charging station. In the floor, you have 7.5 feet of in-floor storage. Underneath the seats, you have built-in cooler, plenty of storage. You have a 10-inch sub with Fusion stereo, premium audio upgrade. So at the helm, you have an adjustable steering wheel, in-dash SIMRAD, and a premium audio stereo Fusion, electronic throttles, an adjustable seat with a built-in bolster. And at the captain chair, you also have a bolster and a very convenient table that pops up and easily stows away. You have wonderful wraparound seating for a great conversation area in the back. While your friends and family are enjoying the water, you can sit back and enjoy this rear-facing lounge. Whether you're cruising around the lake or just tied up in the cove, this boat is a perfect combination for both. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video walkthrough of this beautiful Crest tri-tune. This boat and all of our other boats are available on our MarineMax website. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the water.